So hello everyone. So today is day 93 of 366 live day challenge. So where I come live each day and share my journey with you guys. So as so as today is the day 93. So first of all, lot of you guys think like what is this 366 day live challenge? So basically I'm coming live each day and where I will grow myself and I'm constantly learning and sharing with you guys. And for today, I have some thing like regarding going on with my backend learning. Right now, I'm learning like Express and MongoDB, and like what I'm doing is I'm like using EJS, SBS kind of template engine. And why I'm making one gym management system, and now like I'm having some kind of box related to the route and that middleware because I was using passport.js. Okay, like I was using passport.js and there was like a strategy like the local strategy and the GitHub strategy, and that thing was working. But just now, like when I created like the proper routes also, but I guess there is some error I need to solve, so I will be doing that. And before like actually coding, so before some if I have to summarize my day, so today day was uh very good, like precisely, yeah, like because today like my office work also like was really productive. Like I learned a lot, and yeah, like after the office I had the lab regarding assembly language, and like I learned about like assembly architecture, and that was pretty fun. And then a gym session, and now I'm doing one gym management system. And yeah, that much was my day, and hopeful to have a great full day as like this one for always. And I will just get straight to my programming. I have something like I really want to solve it today and complete it, and I'm not getting so I'm just sitting here and already like complete this gym management system. Like so I have five features, or among them I have the priority of three features. Until I complete that three features, I'm not going to like in this life. And I don't care it happens morning or next day. I'm going to complete it all. So yeah, so the error was on the like you use the passport.js like for the authentication, and like for to like sign it with GitHub, right? And I like added the API keys also, but I think that also need to be like that GitHub strategy was sterilized before using, right? And after that I have some bug that I can't really express right now, like what was the bug. But after solving it I will just see you there. Killing grapple, hi brother, or hello sister. So yeah, user already exist. Like what I'm doing is on the router post on this sign up, and I'm first asking the passport, then seeing like the user is here or not. Like I'm finding one with the username. Let me see my model, and on my model I have user model. I think user model, right? Mm, I have user model. I also included the models. Uh, Bhumika. Hello, bro. Hello, brother, and how are you doing? Where are you from? Joining this live. So, sign in. Older user access. I think because of this thing, it is not working. Mm, India, fan bro, India. Okay. From which state, brother? From which state? Uh, I guess on the app I have added some other thing also that I am not able to. Punjab. Oh, okay. Uh, will you recommend me some songs? Like, I think someday before, like, I really wanted to listen some Punjabi songs. And what are you doing, bro? Like, are you studying? Are you working? Bro, I just Bandana song. Okay, like I think I've heard that title somewhere. Okay, sure, bro. I will listen to it. What language are you coding learning? So right now, to be precise, I'm making one gym management system on backend Express and MongoDB, and the front end I'm just using the template. But by profession, like I am a front end developer, and I do code on the React and the Next.js. But right now, like I'm like exploring backend also, and that's why I'm building it. What is the first language that you learned? Mm, so to be precise, uh, like I learned QO basic when I was 6 7, and then I learn Python, and then just the software development just goes on like C. And now I'm also doing Java for the data structure and algorithm. And yeah, like mainly I'm like focused on the JavaScript because my whole job is on the front end, right? uh, so like I knew like what was the programming, and then I like actually learned was the Python, because I knew that okay, so from the Python I can make games, or like there is that Pygame library, right? So from that I wanted to make games, small games, so I learned the Python for that. At what level is your position? By you mean on my job, Amrithaba? So like I'm a mid-level developer. Mm, which city? Like I'm from Nepal. Like actually, I'm from Nepal, Kathmandu, and yeah, it is. I'm learning Python for 2 months, and I think I'm on words of completion. I then wanna start HTML, CSS, Java frontend, and then the goal is to become full stack for freelancing. Bro, like that was also my path. Okay, like as I said, you right. So I learned the Pygame, like the Python for the making games with the Pygame. And then what I like found out that was in the back in the lockdown period, by just simply making websites I can earn money. So that was my whole mind. Okay, so okay, if I create some website from sitting on the home, because that time that was the lockdown, right? So that was my whole plan. But bro, like I will suggest you, if you are learning Python, right? If you are learning Python, then bro, I suggest you one thing. Okay, like you can also make your mind you can also come up with your own answer. But if I have to say, like if you are right now learning Python, then be good at it, and then start learning Django. And when you start learning Django, right, the backend code you are going to do with the Python, and your database and like all those things are also going to be really good. Okay, and then you can start learning HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript for at the first. And you can, with the Django template engine, you can make beautiful full stack projects, and that are very good. Like if I have to try again, if I have to do my whole deployment journey again, then I will just start with the backend, bro. Like yeah, like front end is also good, but if you start with your backend career, right, your logic building starts so much rapidly. And they can, if you know already the like in the backend also, if you are doing with the JavaScript, then you can obviously come at the front end for the JavaScript. And the main thing is, bro, like the AI thing, right? So now AI can make like a simple UI uh, websites. And but I think for the backend, so there has to be a kind of uh, more logic, because the software development people also don't know like what they really want at the product. So let me complete it. Okay, so uh, I learned, and learning Python, as many YouTube people said that it's good first language to learn. So I did, and see, I will be joining my college for month. I want to learn, bro. Yeah. So what I will suggest is, you are going to join college, right? So there will be obviously C and C++. If in some colleges, and the Java also, right? So you're like the logic building, you're like the hard language are just coming, but the language that can pay you more are like the front end and this Python. You can do freelancing with them. So yeah, like my, if I have to say, be good at Python. Like don't just jump to the HTML, CSS, JavaScript to become front end, because that will just lose. Like that will, you will lose the confidence in the language, bro. Like if you stick with the Python and do the Django, and from the Django, you need front end UI, right? So obviously you will learn HTML, CSS, and the CSS part, right? The CSS part you will be more good at it, because at the front React or other framework at the front end, we have libraries, we have UI libraries that are very best at doing that thing. But on the Django template, there is no such UI library in the CSS. So bro, like think for the long term also. Yeah, I wanna earn money in college through freelance and wanna have financial independence, and I will bro, yeah, I'm also like on my second semester, and like from after my high school, right before joining the college, like I landed a job, and like I'm just working, like, and now also I'm like managing my studies and the work. So you can obviously do that, bro, not the freelancing. If you can, you can also apply for the job also, but just explore at this time. Try to think in a broad way, because just by sticking one language will not be good full grateful on this day, because AI is booming, like a lot of things are changing, right? So you have to adapt with it, and whatever the new thing that can really suit you also, and that has the potential for the long term, then just go for it. And as you said, like AI and the ML degree in college, bro, then the Python is just the best for you, bro. Sec, hi, bro. So, okay, so, bro, let me clear you, okay? So, you are confused, okay? Python is a programming language, okay? Django is a framework of Python. That means you are writing Python code on the Django. Like Django is not a different language that you have to learn. You have already learned the Django. Like the Django code is the Python. Just you need to know like how the backend system is working, how like there is the controller, middleware, what are the ORM. So that concept, and there is a set of rules like how to do those things for the back end. They are not the different. I'm setting Raspberry Pi. That's great, bro. And like actually you have that Wi-Fi adapter, right? And what like and you were trying something right on the Asteroid Live, and did it work or not? Amrit Thapa, brother, I'm also from Kathmandu and in sorts of internship. Like for which of tech stack, bro? Like on which field? I mean to say how many new stuff will be there in Django. Obviously, if you are learning a new thing, there will be new stuff. And I'm not saying like there that Django will be easy. You have to give some time, 4 5 months, really be good at it, and then bro, you can just have the backend jobs. Like you will have the like one power, okay, to make your own startup also. If I only know the front end, then how much the front end is the best, but the business side is always at the back end, right? So like I can't do that. Like right now also I'm feeling that, because I want to make startup and I don't have that back end great expertise. So on this live I'm right now like, if I have to screen share. So yeah, you can share, right? I'm making one gym management system here, and on here I'm making one. So yesterday or day before yesterday, I made one restaurant management system, and it is on Node Express. What would you suggest as a senior? What are requirement in now in companies in KTM for Stington? So okay, for Amrit, bro, I wanna say you two thing. Okay, like if it helps you, then I will be more than happy. Okay, like in Kathmandu, like if you are thinking like what are like first of all, okay, if you going for a intern also means that you are really passionate about something and you want to learn that thing, so you are going to the companies for the mentorship and for the job opportunity. So like first of all, like at the home, yeah, right, try Android development, try web development, try Python, like try for all those things for 1 week and see like what things like really hit you and you really want to go right. Yeah, so then on that specific thing, learn from yourself for the 1 2 month, make small projects or a medium sized project, have a resume, and main thing is at the Nepal, right? So there are many tech communities. Just go and share those project, and bro, in turn you will get like easily. So yeah, like at the first that can be like unpaid, like some companies they are like unpaid, but most of all companies will like give you some of the money also. So that is for one thing. And full stack mon intern is I have never heard that. Just stick with one like frontend or backend at the first. If you okay, like the full stack is, yeah, like everyone want to be a full stack developer, but be like specific in one thing. Like right now, like my specific is front end, but I'm learning backend. So on, I'm saying like after 1 2 year I might be the full stack, but right now also I'm not the full stack, although like I'm doing backend. So what is the average that you make as front end developer? Is it okay to say you uh I can like pretty much say the range, but like yeah, on the live, like I'm not that much of a comfortable sharing also, but yeah, it's pretty good. And hoping for one a promotion also very soon, cause my project is going to be finished. And yeah, bro, like the full stack in one intern is not such a thing, bro. Like let me sorry, okay? Let me just omit one thing, okay? What's the index route? Auth route initialized, right? So what I clicked. So post sign is not working. By the way, I have been learning Python through project code alongside on YouTube from the beginning, and also making some small project of my own too. But I wanna wrap Python up this week. So you are saying you wanna wrap Python this week, and then what are you like trying to do? Like then, like like you want to uh, go on one framework of the Python, or like from my point of view, right? So Python is a language that many people can learn, and that is very good also for the first language. But just learning the solo Python is not enough in my sense. I might be wrong. If you are learning Python, then make games with the Pygame, or go with the machine learning AI. Learn Matplot, Skylon, TensorFlow, build AI models, or try to clean data set and go on that AI machine learning route. Or the like a popular choice of many is go go with the backend Django. Amrit, I mean intern in web dev, will it be better if it was in backend? It will be better, but as the backend is more kind of a not the complex the complex word is not suitable here, but it demands more than a front end. Okay, for the front end you can just learn HTML, CSS, JS, and learn some React, make some project, and you can apply with that CB. But for the back end, you have to have the good knowledge regarding the database, how things work, like what are the APIs, and yeah, like the if you are able to crack a backend developer intern, then that will be a very good, like a JEE the top. But yeah, like just explore the front end and back end. Try to make like a project that can be a full stack also. Like start with clone, or what you can do is, bro, go on the chat GPT and say like, give me three random word, and the chat GPT will give you three random word, and say chat GPT like, give me a project idea with this tech stack for this three word that is a unique, and like try with those things and come up with a unique project. Okay, and build that. Like don't just make like clone also, like that will also help you on your journey, but that will just make you on a tutorial hell. And I have been on that for so long time back in my days. So I have started CS50 Python by Harvard lecture just to revise and to learn new thing. We'll move on to something else like Django or something. Yeah. So yeah, like I have also like did this CS50, and that the Dave Pittman is so damn good, bro. Yeah, like best two just for you, bro. Like yeah, you can start with the Django, and like on the same time also try like the HTML CSS. Like that is us like a easy thing. Like okay, don't think like they are the new thing I'm learning, so they are like more complex, but they are just easy, like a step on your way. Just uh, conquer them and build like some very cool backend system. And best wishes for you. And for the Amrit, bro, yeah, first build project and have a proper LinkedIn, and like the backend and frontend in turn, don't prioritize on like just being a front-end intern or backend. Build project on the web and just apply with the CV. And yeah, like you can apply at the front end also and back end also, if you have like the both like overall knowledge that can be helpful. Or even front end dive, I guess you get what I'm saying to say. Yeah, but bro, yeah, like just think more deeply and just try some of the stuff what you like, and then go deep dive on one thing. But bro, like if you are doing Python full time, like full like 8 hour a day on a job, and also doing that for the 2 hour extra learning, then also you will have time to learn other things. Okay, people are just wasting their time. Just go and explore. Like there is so much time to learn like many things. That is just the priority of yourself, right? uh I was thinking of making either a blog app or note taking app similar to Notion. For that I was going through docs of block node.js. Okay, like will it have like a real time like a text collaboration or not? If then I think you might have to learn socket.io also. Okay, so what do you think? How much time will it take to be front end dev, back end dev, and full stack dev? I have no idea, bro. Like that depends upon the each and every, like, okay, I will say you will be back end developer in 3 months, but you are only learning for 1 hour a day. That is not going to helpful, right? And the another thing is how intensely you are on that. You are just sitting on the laptop for 1 hour, or you are like really going through that, and on your mind there are a lot of ideas that you want to work on. So that really depends, bro. I also used to ask like on the Google also, like roadmap, how much time will take. But if you just build your project, and there is not like a linear graph, okay, like if you learn, then you will get a job. That's not like a thing. For the past 10 days you can feel like I'm the dumbest person, that I don't know anything. But at the 11th day you will feel so much confident on yourself that I can do everything. Let's say learning for 8 months, someday even for 8, and someday even more hour. Then what will you say? Bro, okay, let's do this way. Not the month, but how many projects. Build one really worthy, like a kind of a challenging side, challenging project, one big project that can have like all your knowledge, like the Python, like some of the AI stuff also, and the front end, and build like 2 3 medium, and at the first make a small project to just start your journey. And after completing each project, publish that on the LinkedIn, on your tech communities. And on the basis of the project you will make, right? So your learning curve will just go up and up. And that way your time will also like time is not like a absolute, yeah, so it is a relative, so that can't be depend. But go with the project, because I'm also like I learned through the project, bro, like not like this month. But yeah, like that's the thing. So I might have said you something that have clicked you, but yeah, like um, so okay, bro. Thanks for the help. It's late now. I will be going now. By the way, you on this new subscriber today. So on, and all the best for the future endeavors. Thanks a lot, bro, and it really means a lot to me. And yeah, like um, just focus on your learning, build project, and best to assist for you, man. Just keep learning. And like the main thing is do it each and every day. Like there is no Saturday, there is no Monday, okay, like no any day that can be just uh I can rest, okay. Just do it, man. Like you will enjoy on your like the Saturday also, okay. So that's the thing. Hey bro, hello brother. So because from the past 92 days, yeah, like I have been streaming, and someday like I didn't wanted to do, or someday I was sick. But while coming stream, like I have one kind of a fun like way to like express myself also, and to learn also, right? So if you just do that for the ease, like 90 days straight programming, 100 days straight programming, right? So like you're like that, you are like 100% destined to be the programmer or anything what you want. That's the main thing, bro. So okay, mm, so I think the problem was your not log out. I even had the dashboard page, but on the sign up button, now the sign up button is not also working. That might have been by. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, so the now I see it. Yeah. Mm, but while doing the sign up, it is not coming. Check it out. It is sign. So post is going to be sign up, and first the password is going to be hash by the Bcrypto library. And first of all, let me do this way. Okay, so first of all, I don't need the login part, and obviously not the logout part also. You are building something or solving this problem. Like I'm building something, like I'm building a gym management system. Like the backend is on the Express and just making the APIs and other thing. But yeah, bro, after this live, I'm going to solve one DSA problem because I'm on a, like a daily streak of solving at least one DSA problem each day. And bro, like, do you also do lead code? Because on the lead code, right? Like I'm kind of a beginner also. Like I'm a new, like just started 1 month before. Like uh, I I was more into just the development side. Okay, like from the past 1 2 year, I'm like I was on always on the development. But if I had like a way to express myself on the DSA and solve problem, then yeah, my logic building will also really increase. And the main thing is I can apply to um, abroad companies or even Fang, because just yesterday I got a like a Google cloud hoodie from like abroad, right? So yeah, bro. So you are self-taught dev or you have a CS degree? So uh yeah, like right now I'm doing dual degree. Like I'm learning one, I'm doing BSc physics, and another is I'm doing BCA. On the BCA I'm on a second semester. But like after my high school, like I started job, and like I'm also doing right now like the full time software developer as a front end developer. So I'm a self taught like. So Brian, are you also in the development? So what are the tech stack you have been doing? Sign up? Let me change this to the email, not the username, because I think that was the problem altogether. If I change here the on which line I got the error? I got the error. Mm, mm, okay, okay. So I think I have to just change this. So I have this code. Okay, so it means I can just username field is equals to email. If I write this here, if I write uh, local field and on the function, if I write like this, it's going to work, right? And if I go back, reload, sign up. I'm learning. I'm currently learning Flutter and also doing CSCFT course. I'm also going to do 100 days of coding challenge from tomorrow. Best wishes, bro. All the best. And yeah, like so on the which platform like you are being accountable. Like if you do on the LinkedIn, then you can just hit me like with the hi, and I can we can talk you we can talk there also, bro. Uh, Main thing, just make one GitHub for your all the code you are doing each day and commit them. Yeah, like that way it will really bro, like doing something on the public like where you can be misjudged also sometime. And yeah, best wishes, all the best, bro. uh आदित्य लामिछाने स्यासिफ्टीको कुन छ गर्दै हो ब्रो. Mm, I've been continuously practicing bro. Just use this code here because other than that I can't concentrate. Sec, hi bro, like where have you went bro, like so yeah, like yesterday your that program you were doing with the Wi-Fi router, right? So what happened bro on that? Oh, second bro. I'm sad and angry. Why bro? I I made the SP router work. I made the SP router work. So like why you are sad and angry then? Like I'm not able to understand, okay bro, like because I'm also having one bug here right now. So like this I have been always doing with the JWT, right? So like if I have to make some APIs that need to be authenticate, then I always use the JWT, and that is the simple, best, and but right now I am learning this password or just library and doing with this, and These all like strategies, serializer, they are just making me mad, bro. It works, but the mad thing is dice Pro Zero will fail to work. Well, okay, bro. Like, so the basic. Okay, so what are you like really trying to do? Okay, like because yesterday you did not mention about the Raspberry Pi, I guess, or I'm not able to understand your whole network thing. Okay, but yeah, like, what are you like actually making, bro? Like, uh, what language you are speaking? Fail to put OS in the micro SD card. Oh, okay. So you are doing that with the best, right? Or no, on the C++, on the Adreno. Oh, yeah, actually, you told me that. Uh, uh, I have to go building in public because I don't have CS degree. Yeah, yeah, yes, bro. Just do the 100 day of challenge as you said, and best to assist for you, and try to like on your 100 days of programming, right? Like if you do like regularly, bro, like 100%, like people notice also you because like doing 100 day programming is not a joke, not a joke, bro. And best wishes for you. And on that time, try to make more project and until the like after the 100 days, right? So you will have enough project to apply for the like the jobs or the free dancing also. I'm speaking Nepali. I'm also doing CSV FTX and I'm in week 8. So I was wondering what are you learning? Haha. Oh, yeah, okay. So DKB, bro. Like where are you from, bro? Hindi and Bengali. Oh, okay. So you are from India, okay? I Zoom trying to set up my Raspberry Pi Zero will to connect to a specific Wi-Fi, but I want it to connect to other Wi-Fi. There is a lot of issues, so I use a Wi-Fi adapter so I can configure to it to connect to other. Oh, okay. And so like what happened? Like you said, right? So uh you failed to put the OS right on your micro card. Like I guess that what you were saying. Yeah, on the micro SD card. Wi-Fi. So I have only internet access. So it's complex as how to explain my situation. Complex as it to explain. Right now I'm having the complexity to understand those things like you are just saying, bro. Like yeah, like the sum of the stuff I can figure it out, but most of like the actual thing you are doing is very network guy and I'm not that much of a network guy, but yeah, I love to learn. Raspberry Pi Zero double support monitor and packet injection modes. Okay, like by monitor, okay, like the like why what we do with the white shark, yeah, like we do white shark on our internal net, like most of the time like that you from that Raspberry Pi Zero you can monitor your surrounding Wi-Fi's, and from that you can like send some packets, like by taking the packets of some user you can change and you can inject on those. I think like that's the way, but I might be 100% wrong. Like that's the thing. Like I had on my brain when you say that and just speaking that. I'm currently on week 1 in CS50, but I know that programming language and basic of Flutter. Oh, okay. Bro, in Nepal also, right? So on my company, so on our startup, is also like on the app side they are using Flutter. Like as for me, so I'm a React guy. Yeah, like I do deployment on the React Next.js, and I'm a JavaScript lover. But and there is the React Native for the app. Still, like people are like more in the like Flutter ecosystem, and that is kind of a same time like a very good thing also, and kind of a why not React Native. But yeah, best to assist for you, bro. Try to make apps publish it. Johab Hassan, hello bro. Hello brother, where are you from? Like I guess yesterday or day before yesterday, also you were on my live, right? Or I might have got confused. Okay, but a specific OS that supports it, I have the image of it and the image of it, but failed to put it on the SD card. Okay, so from that Raspberry Pi, so it is as it has the monitor and the package injection mode, but on the Raspberry Pi also you have to put that micro card, right? So you got that all thing figure it out and set up, but at last that thing about not putting the OS, so that made your okay. Oh great, best luck mate. That's great, bro. Yeah, keep keep doing it, bro. I mean, I wanted for this to make it work, but I just said no. No, don't really. uh, try give a bit some time. It will work. I haven't slept the night. I need to die right now. Don't say like this, bro. Just sleep like your mind is so much on a chaos right now, and think it and try it next day also. Yup, it was me yesterday. Oh yeah, what is your timing speed faster? So I guess it is okay. Let me do one. Okay. Uh, okay, let me do one. So let me screenshot. So not good, bro. Like my hand are like sweaty also, but so got this 51, but not good. I know 51 on the monkey. So this side, yeah, like the monkey type. Do again live. Okay. Mm, bro, bro. Sorry, my hand. Just let me do it again. Oof. Bro. Let me have next field. Uh, oof. Let me try another one. Bro, it's no good, bro. Let me try it again after some time, okay? Bye, bro. I have to go. Good night. Sleep training out. Thanks a lot, bro, brother. And yeah, good night. And see you soon, bro. Yeah, bro. Okay, bro. Stop it. This and no, like at the first time, like so. Yeah, there was some typing mistake because that was the 51, but my accuracy was just about 88, I guess. Yeah, but I thought like on the second time, what happened? Bye bro morning सुत्न गएको है बेलुका भयो ओके ओके आदित्य bro see you tomorrow -70 bro that's good and like I'm on my laptop off my home laptop okay so I most of the I do code mm, but I think I should buy a mechanical keyboard bro like what do you think like on the mechanical keyboard right so like will I have a more productive bro but I also want. Okay, let me try it again. Or okay, let me try it without screenshot. Like how much I will get. Okay, let me just see. Not good. Yes, same. Nah, it will be same. Even if you get a mechanical keyboard. Oh yeah, like. But on the laptop, so there the keys are like small, right? So that's like not kind of a feel to like press it more. And like what you do, bro? Like, uh, are you also a developer? Because having that good 70 but bro it has been like so on one live also so there was one brother he also wanted me to check my uh typing and bro this typing thing is really I need to uh 47, 47, but accuracy is 90. I'm grinding to get 150 step. Bro, like, are you sure? Like, so you also do programming on the laptop, right? So, like, any tips or like, do you always like each and every do like this typing? Because I also really want to be uh, good at this. And any solution or any site that I might be helpful on my zone. Yup, I'm a dev as well. Okay, like long toss typing. Uh, like toss typing means, yeah, like I also like toss typing, not by seeing on the laptop screen. Okay, in this method, you use all of your finger for typing. Oh, okay, like all of the fingers. But okay, so I use mainly this two finger only. It is 10 finger typing. Okay, like because this finger, okay, like not that finger, but this finger, right? Like this two finger, like they are not being used like more efficiently on my case. Okay, if I do like mm, your one is four finger typing right now. Yeah, right. I'm also like after you saying that, also like I I was doing with it too. So I really need to practice my other fingers also. Yeah. So that's the very yeah, these two I'm only using right now also. So thanks, brother. So yeah, for today, so so there is a software called Typing Master Complete. It will learn toss typing then grind to type faster. So this software called Typing Master, Typing Master Complete. Oh, okay. Free download, I guess. Yeah, or is it paid? Okay. Thanks to I'm going to download it right now. Uh, Share the screen. I will guide you. Okay. So I have just installed the thing. So what was that name? Typing Master. Yeah. But I think it, yeah, so for window only, bro. So it is only for window, not for Ubuntu. But guess what? I can also do the Windows software in the Ubuntu, but the this whole thing is crap. Okay, like I'm you using one. Uh, so there is one this called. Okay, it might be helpful to some viewers in my life. So why no one do? So this is your like a wine package. So from this you can install any Windows operating system or no Windows program in the Ubuntu also. Because see, today I installed that software. That's I guess my okay. Okay, bro. Sure. After this live, I'm going to practice it here. Are you using track pad or a mouse? I'm using mouse. No, I'm using a trackpad, but I use mouse for not like every time, but I just forgot like where I put my mouse also. So I use trackpad, bro. And yeah, brother. So it's like if you see my screen also, yeah. So it is 57. So on the one, Vivek Kumar, do you know web development? Yes, bro. Like I'm a front-end developer by profession, so I do full time on the front, like doing React and the Next.js, and right now on the live also, like I'm doing this restaurant management system on the for to learn backend. Uh, because I want to learn both like front end and backend because I have some thing like I want to build startups, and for that I need knowledge. By using software you will learn how to typing, then smart. Yeah, bro, like thanks for this, man. I'm going to like fix one time to practice typing. uh do you know Amin Begrahi? Yeah, bro, I know. He's like he like let me 30 uh Amin Amin Bagari, yeah. No, I mistype. Sorry. Uh, Bagari. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I used to go his live also. Is he live today? No, why? Or he use stream on other thing. Like as per my knowledge, he used to do like 33 startup for 3 years, right? He quit coding. Bro, are you serious? Because I used to watch his live and I am I talked with him on the Discord also at like I was on his live at I guess day 20 or day 30. Are you serious? Like he quit live, he quit coding. Bro, why? Like, do you know anything? Because while learning, you can guide me to learn by doing project to project because I got stuck in tutorial here. Can you? Okay. So for that, I have one suggestion. Okay, bro. I was also like that person, but after getting a job and in my company, right? So there they have their own thing like a system that I have to build, and that was like a canvas, okay? And I need to learn each and every framework I have like never heard also. And the one thing that tutorial hell fails is, I know, like tutorial hell gives you is you will learn all the framework in the net, like why by watching videos, like. But if I say you, so build that same project from watching the video, but the library, I'm going to say you, the library will be changed, and that time you can't do it because on that video that person is going through a structured way, right? So yes, he did for real. Now he's not making 30 star. Like, why do like do everything? Okay, so for the uh Bibek bro, okay, Bibek bro, are you here, right? So go on the chat GPT and okay, uh, give give me three words. Let me just put for now. Okay, this one. Mm, So three word simple words. Uh, three random word, okay? So random words. Elephant, guitar, sunshine. Okay, I got this three word. So bro, like so you are on the tutorial mean, so you have learned programming, right? So what technologies do you know? Can you say on the chat? Can you say on the chat, bro? Bro, can you list down those things? That will be pretty good. So I can suggest you one thing that might help you. But bro, like, why is like he did work out before 3 days, get me this. This man was real G, bro. Uh, C, C++, DSA, HTML, CSS, Tailwind, yes. So let's go with the web development. Okay, so only HTML, CSS, Tailwind. Just so, bro, do you know React or not? Do you know React? So, bro, if you want to quit the tutorial hell and really improve on yourself, then just a second, okay? Uh, bro, read my message. Yeah, like I read, bro. Sorry, okay? Like if I have missed any. He quit coding. Yes, he did for real. Now he's not making. Yeah, like I said like why though, like I will watch some videos to know, but like did something happen on the live that of that he's not doing. uh Vivek bro, so what about making one algorithmic art generator, this one? So as you know, the C and C++ not always right, or you can build like virtual guitar pedal p and effect processor. And bro, on this type of project, yeah, like if you want I can, if you bro, if you make this kind of project that are unique, that are challenging, and for that you need to learn extra new libraries that are not in the web. Okay bro, like have you ever heard the stone.js? I guess not. In the bunch of the YouTube video there is same clone messaging, Netflix, Amazon, e-commerce. There's like at now like most of the like, okay, you are the person, you watch all those video and on your mind you know how the things work but you can't execute that. Okay, but if you make one challenging this kind of project, you can add on the CV also bro, like smart wildlife conservation monitoring system. Who makes this project bro? So this is my kind of thing, like how I think for the project idea. Because if you go and search on the YouTube, Google, those project idea will be just the old and not so very good. But just take random three word, add what technologies you know, and add like unique based and challenging project and get like five unique idea that you can work on. So yeah, that's much I want to say, bro, and best wishes for your journey, brother. He just changed his mind, bro. I'm feeling like a both emotion, like a sad also and a kind of happy also, because if that thing that he really wanted, so yeah, he can quit, and yeah, I'm happy for him because he's taking like, okay, you are coming live and saying you will do this thing for this much long, and if you change your mind, so there will be some of the talk going on the back, but s- I don't care that, and I'm just changing my mind by saying that is also a big statement. So I'm like happy for him, like he was able to take stand on that thing. But also sad because I really uh had like so on his one live also, like I used to go on go on his live for like some of the day. Okay, so 3 4 days, and I said on his live that bro, one day I will come to the Canada and meet you. So but yeah, it's up to him. Yeah bro, yeah, at the end, it's up to him. And I, so there might be like a better opportunity for the learning, or yeah. So but I think he hasn't quit programming coding, but just time needed, because doing this like kind of live every day is also a kind of mentally kind of challenging also. Although like I'm just a small YouTuber, not even a 1K, but he has like a decent amount of followers, right? So like that way, so there might be some of the things. It means if tutorial teaches me Amazon cloud, then I go to make Flipkart for myself. Is it good? But no, no, bro. I said you right. Those five project build one. Okay, can I copy that text and send you somewhere? And bro, I challenge you to make that one project and show me on the live. Post that site on or on your GitHub and come to my live and say, bro, okay, I have made this project. Can you view? Bro, I challenge you. If you do this way, no, like that tutorial hell world will not exist in your dictionary also, bro. Okay. Yeah, like good approach towards Amazon video to make Flipkart clone, but bro, that's the same thing, bro. You are still on the tutorial hill because still because on the unique and challenging project there will not be a video on the way. But if you say, if you are on the middle of making your Flipkart clone, and out of sudden there might be, so obviously there will be some problems, so you will go to the internet, search, found the answer, and that's it. No learning. But the project is kind of bit complex, and you have to think through it. Because on my front end yesterday, okay, so there what we had to make is, so for an example, this is the screen, and by control shift and I, this inspect button comes, yeah, and it just push the all the width to the left side. So this kind of thing, while I click one create company button, I needed to have on my screen. And for a simple one page, that is simple thing. But on the React, so there is the deep level of components, right? So from moving one deeper component to act on the higher component, you can't do it like a simple passing the data. You have to use kind of a state management redux. So like that way of thinking, so there was no solution on the internet that I found, and I had to just sit down, think about the solution, and implement it. And that's how you will grow on your project, bro. So, and I will be ending this level, so I need to finish one thing. So okay, and then only I can sleep for today. Then goes for something challenging after getting comfortable with all technologies. Then goes for something challenging. 20. Yeah, like, so there will be some more stuff to learn on that particular technology also. But my approach is, okay, if I know something, one tech stack, and I learn the, okay, first of all I know one tech stack, I learned that tech stack, and I created some challenging project. And then I learned another tech stack, and I made challenging project. Then what I do is I combine both tech stack and create a more bigger challenging project. So if you do like this kind of approach, like if you, so just now also I did, yeah, like you had that knowledge of C and C++ and the DSA. Like most of the web developer don't have that kind of knowledge. So by utilizing your plus point, you can make some website, web app that can use like algorithms like DSA. That is cool and challenging. June, there is another person that is now doing live stream of making startup. Who, bro? Like, are you saying about me? So, bro, I'm on a day 93, bro. Like, doing live stream is one thing, and doing live stream for each and every day is one thing. I got it. Yeah, bro. That's the whole point I wanted to say. Just do that project, and I'm I'm also going through the same process. So I'm been trying to work on one project. Okay, that is kind of complex for me also. So basically, uh, let me show you right now. Mm, in which company you are? So I'm on a Velox lab, bro. Like, I'm. It is based on Nepal. Let me show you Velox lab. Okay, so let me show you. React online. So I guess so there is this sandbox, right? So on this sandbox you can create React app and run there, and there is your own terminal, there is your own browser at the side. So this kind of project I want to make, because on that there will be a lot of backend stuff, your DevOps stuff like the Docker, Kubernatives, you have to give access of the terminal on the front end to your user, right? So it is kind of a big and like complex project for me, and for that also like I'm learning backend. Like there I have some of the things I need to fresh up, bro. Yeah, like I will be ending this live, okay? uh mm, and I will code for 1 hour. I will code for I guess 1 or 1.5 hour, then after at the 3 p.m. I will go for sleep. And tomorrow I need to wake for at the 6 a.m. also in the morning. So today also only 3 hours of sleep. Are you from Nepal? Yes, bro. I'm from Nepal. I'm from Nepal, Kathmandu, bro. Or like, what you thought, bro? Like, so yeah. And thank you everyone for coming to my live and stay and being a very very good audience, very good viewers and brothers. And yeah, and Vivek, John, Asan, bro, best wishes for your project, your star, your whatever thing you are doing. I thought you are Indian. Yeah, like Indian Nepal is also like so closely related, right? And I need to man like make my okay 3 p.m. So yeah, I need to build a site. So yeah, take care everyone. See you tomorrow. I also thought that like, but I know Hindi, bro. Okay, I know my songs list are all Indian songs, and my favorite actor is Allu Arjun. Okay, from the South India, and yeah, लाइक हमको भी हिंदी आता है पर हम वो वैसा नहीं बोल सकते पर हम समझ लेता है बिल्कुल सब हिंदी हम समझ लेता है पर बोलने के लिए हमको परेशानी आती है या ब्रो सो गुड नाइट टेक केयर स्टे सेफ टेक केयर बाय बाय